What's up, Vetters? Patrick here with Vetted. Today we're talking about this.
Mike Battista here. The footage you're about to watch contains documented evidence of an interdimensional being suspended within a plasma-type orb. This footage was captured by the Psionic asset team while conducting a field operation in a remote location of Florida. Billy Kryzak will be doing a full analysis on this video and more details to follow.
Please hit that like button, Vetters. That really helps out the videos. And of course, if you're not already subscribed and you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. So I'm here in beautiful Malaga, Spain, off the Mediterranean coast, shooting another video for Vetted. But while I'm here, of course, news breaks out about a very special video released by Michael Battista, who is the former Skywatcher Psionic asset. And I just did a video about something similar, right, where Science Bob McGuire, I'll put a link in the description so you can see that video, spoke about an event that happened at Contact in the Desert where they allegedly captured on camera, right, a UFO landing and two beings with suits walking out of it. Absolutely indisputable. Aliens, UFO, the whole thing.
We believe that at this event, non-human intelligence will land and stand outside and maybe even interact with us. They are coming very close.
I will say I'm not under anything, but I did see and hang out with Bob and Mike Battista and was shown some footage at the table. That shit was actually kind of crazy. I will say, I don't know if there's more of that stuff, Bob, that's coming out. I was like, yeah,
much more. So every time, well, that craft came down and it landed behind a tree. So the one out in the desert, it came down and landed 200 meters away, right out in the open. And so it's just what as the entities and Battista and J2, etc., grow more accustomed to regularly doing this, they're coming closer and closer and closer. And I'm going to tell you what, Sarah Gam and I want to get on and go fly and see the rings of Saturn.
Is it that you can actually see a craft outline, or is it just like a light?
it's like
No. The one that was in Contact in the Desert, there is a craft landed on the ground and two entities walk out.
Well, there seems to be a change with that. Bob McGuire has come forward to say that he misspoke, he made a mistake, and that didn't happen at Contact in the Desert, and he actually wasn't there for this event at all. But there is a video of this event, and I actually reached out to Mike Battista, who did give me a comment about Bob. I did not listen to the space or recording, so if this is what he's regarding, but I do have a new landing recorded we are aiming to release on a big platform in the near future. All I can say right now. So, you know, I'm left a little confused myself. Okay, so is something going on? Does something happen? Is this something, what? We get a video? Are there beings? Are there aliens? I mean, at the end of the day, that's all I care about. Is there proof of aliens? So kind of turns out, right, this video, I don't know if it's the same one that Mike Battista was talking about, because he said he does have a video of a landing and that's coming out later. Literally in an X space that I was hosting with Gino from the Wi-Fi, I was talking about my new documentary, Psionics, right? The Minds That Summon UFOs. It's available now at psionics.film. Doing an X space, and, you know, boom, this other video gets posted of a psionic event that Mike Battista had, where he summoned a craft, it landed, and beings came out of it. And they got it on video. And I'm going to show you the video they released of that incident. And you can tell me what you think.
Mike Battista here. The footage you're about to watch contains documented evidence of an interdimensional being suspended within a plasma-type orb. This footage was captured by the Psionic asset team while conducting a field operation in a remote location of Florida. Billy Kryzak will be doing a full analysis on this video and more details to follow.
And Billy Kryzak, the gentleman that Mike Battista said would be releasing more information about the video,
Billy Kryzak will be doing a full analysis on this video.
Put this out on Twitter, and he goes by Pro Pixel Video Analysis and Research on X. He put, "No bullshit, this is real. It appears to be an interdimensional being. This one appeared during a psionic session led by Mike Battista. This is real footage, captured during a psionic session. The chain of custody of the footage is known. This is not AI, it is not CGI. You are looking at something truly incredible. It appears that there is a humanoid being standing behind a console. There are what seem to be warp or dimensional bubbles that are moving rotationally around back and forth and expanding and contracting. There appears to be 5 nested bubbles working to maintain an environment for the being. There's no other information to share other than Mike put out the call, they answered, and we recorded it." And then they also put out some stills of the images. And I just have to admit that Billy's not a scientist, so I don't know what he really knows about, interdimensional beings or warp or dimensional bubbles or any of that stuff. So it's a weird thing to sort of, in my opinion, talk about. So I don't know. The video analysis seems incomplete, if you ask me, and if that's what his thing is, right? Pro Pixel Video Analysis and Research. This, just seems a little less than to me. And I mean, no disrespect, but I don't see anything in these pictures. And how do we know that they're interdimensional beings or warp or dimensional bubbles or any of that, right? I don't know. Seems a little strange to me, but nonetheless, this is the statement, and this is the information they put out. And I'm hoping I can talk to Billy one day and get a little more information on this, because I have a bunch of questions to ask him, and maybe if he added some more context, we could understand this a little bit better. So I have to be honest, my gut reaction, I don't really see anything here. But I wasn't there at this event, so maybe if I was in person, I would feel differently. But I don't see anything in this video whatsoever. I'm being told what I should see in the video, but I don't see that. You know what I mean? So I don't know, right? Mike seems to think that it's very difficult to capture these things, and they sort of mess with your camera. I'm not saying that's not possible. I'm just saying maybe that's the reason, if it is true, that we don't get good video. But they're telling us there's an alien here with a console, and I just don't see any of that. And we're not really getting any information about everything that preceded it. I'd like to see a camera on Mike Battista where you can see it's Mike Battista. Watch him start summoning with his mind, and then turn the camera around to the sky and get that thing coming down and zooming in like a one shot, no cuts, right? So we can see the whole process. I actually did some of that in my movie Psionics. I'd like to see some similar things like that. So we'll have to wait and see if that's a possibility. I'm working on something potentially where, maybe I'll be able to do something like that myself, aside from the movie. I don't know. We'll see. I'm trying to work on getting some proof of this. But in the meantime, this is what Mike and his team have released. I don't know if there's more videos coming, but at the moment, just that video alone doesn't do anything for me. I'm just being honest. I'm not insulting anybody. I'm just saying I just don't see any of this stuff that they're talking about as that being indisputable proof that we're not alone on this planet. Again, the biggest claim in human history, and you're claiming to have the puzzle piece to solve that puzzle that no one else in the history of mankind has been able to solve. Yeah, I'm going to be a little critical. I'm not just going to see what you tell me to see in the video. It just looks like blurry lights. Nothing indistinguishable, no context, no before the video and after the video, right? How are they zooming in? What's going on? We're going to need to see the entire process. The editing is what is me personally taking me out of it. No points of reference in the video. So we'll have to wait and see. But let me know what you think down in the comments of this. You know, I look forward to more stuff coming out for sure. I think clearer video, something indisputable. If you have to be told what's in it, it's not clear. The idea would be you show someone who has no idea what you're showing them, probably someone that doesn't even care about UFOs, right? At all, has no interest in anything, just a stranger, and you show them a video, they go, oh, shit, that's an alien spacecraft landing with 2 aliens walking at him. That's what you need. Not stuff that's dark, blurry, you know, ambiguous. That's just not going to work. And if the idea is, well, that's just how the phenomena acts, well, then I guess the phenomena is screwing us and we'll never get it. So then I'm still not going to believe it. You know what I mean? Because you need to prove to me that that's what the phenomena does. I need proof that that's the phenomena. All right. So anyway, whatever, I'm ranting here, but I do have a video about Malaga coming out soon, so pay attention for that. That's why I've been a little silent this week, because I'm out trying to film, trying to do work, right? People accuse me all the time of not doing anything. One, I put out a documentary I filmed over 4 months, and now I'm going to be starting to do these trips where I travel around Spain first and investigate some UFO cases, right? So anyway, thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, Vedas, every day's a gift. And don't forget to check out the new merch, y'all. We got the Believe hat, amongst other things. Oh, yeah. And, you know, this. Come on. Boom. I want to believe, not be deceived shirt. Come on, y'all. I'm rocking that merch out here while I'm traveling. A lot of people have gotten the brand new merch. I really want to say thank you to everybody. The response has been phenomenal. So check it out now. Vettedmerch.store. Link in the description. Go check out the new stuff that we have. We'll see you on the next one. Remember, every day's a gift, y'all. Peace.